Blockchain and Web3 are reshaping our digital world, introducing a new era of how we interact and transact online. But with great innovation comes new challenges. Complexity in development, integration hurdles, and the race against time in a competitive landscape. The inherent complexity of blockchain technologies and the specifics of developing Web3 applications can be difficult. Our solution is to provide simplified design. The tool transforms complex coding requirements into a simplified visual design process, making development accessible to all skill levels. Web applications with Web3 functionalities involves navigating a complex landscape of protocols and standards. Our solution is to achieve seamless integration. The tool offers pre-built connectors and APIs for easy integration with existing systems, web and Web3 technologies. Developing and integrating Web3 applications traditionally involves complex, time-consuming processes that require specialized skills, leading to high costs and inefficiencies. Our solution is rapid deployment. The tool accelerates the development cycle and reduces costs by enabling rapid prototyping, testing, and deployment with minimal coding. Traditional Web3 development approaches often lock developers into rigid frameworks, limiting their ability to quickly adapt to changing requirements or integrate new technologies. Our solution is Adaptive Framework. The low-code and configurable workflow allows developers to quickly adapt to changes and new requirements without starting from scratch or making significant changes. Who should use Web3 Workflow Studio? Web3 Workflow Studio is the ideal solution for developers, citizen developers alike, and enterprises seeking to innovate, integrate, and efficiently manage blockchain-based applications for their business needs. It simplifies complex blockchain development processes, making it accessible for professionals of varying skill levels to contribute to the Web3 ecosystem. Create, operate, and manage workflows for your business needs with drag-and-drop interfaces. Trigger nodes monitor events, for example, monitor ERC20 token balance changes, and then trigger a workflow. Webhook nodes receive webhook events, for example, an API call, and then trigger a workflow. Action nodes execute a task in a workflow. These nodes are pre-built and can be configured to complete specific tasks without coding. You can add and link workflow nodes to create a workflow to complete a series of tasks. An example of trigger node, Matic Balance Trigger. This will trigger a workflow. We can configure this trigger node to monitor change of Matic token balance of a wallet. Webhook node, an example of webhook node. Webhook, this is a general node for receive webhook request and trigger a workflow. We can configure this webhook node to receive a HTTP post or HTTP GET request message and then send back a response. Action node, an example of action node, Telegram. We can configure the Telegram node to send a message to a Telegram channel. This is an example of a workflow. Empower blockchain development and integration with simplicity and speed. You can use Web3 Workflow Studio for the following use cases and more. Monitoring and managing blockchain smart contracts, capturing and managing blockchain data, creating and managing digital assets, processing and reconciling crypto payment, smart contract lifecycle management, blockchain transaction alert system, automated DEX trading, automated crypto risk assessment, crypto community engagement booster.